Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com and on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, the leadership of Vere Technical High School is bemoaning the ongoing absence of the Safe School bus program.
The complaint comes after two students were mowed down by vehicles hours apart as they made their way home from school. One of them died. Details in this Primetime News follow-up from Dwayne Anderson.
Motor vehicles travelling within a foot of students at the gate of the Vere Technical High School in Clarendon. It's a common occurrence which isn't given much thought on most days as students are taken to and from school. But on Wednesday, it felt a little scarier for the commuting students as just hours before, two of their schoolmates were struck by vehicles in contrasting incidents. O'Neill Lewin is the principal of the institution.
One of our students was hit and killed by a motor vehicle. Initially I thought it was the same accident, the first accident, which was actually misreported. However, I got confirmation later that that was a totally different accident.
The deceased student has been identified as Marla Richards. She was a 12-year-old first-form student who started at the Vere Technical High School only 3 weeks ago. Reports are that she disembarked a taxi Tuesday afternoon and was attempting to cross the street to her home in Kemsel district in the parish when she was struck by a bus. She was pronounced dead at hospital. In the second incident, also on Tuesday, a third-form student was struck by a motor car. She was hit by a taxi in the vicinity of the school gate. She fell into a drain due to the impact. It is reported that the driver lost control of the taxi. She was taken to the hospital where she was treated and released. The principal says things have been chaotic since the Safe School bus system ended.
JUTC bus used to provide transportation, and that used to impact a significant number of students here. And it was a safe and, atmosphere was conducive to students going to and from school. However, that was discontinued. As it is right now, we have challenges in terms of the quality of service which we are getting from the taxi and the minibus. What we find happening is that the taxis are overcrowded, the buses are overcrowded, the type of music.
Mr. Frederick Bryan is the president of the Vere Taxi Operators Association.
I'm truly saddened, heartbroken at this sad incident. From Monday I've been saying to my drivers on the WhatsApp group that they should be very careful and drive defensively, try to drive well within the speed limit to avoid any occurrences of this nature. But I want to take this opportunity to express on behalf of the taxi fraternity heartfelt condolences to the bereaved family, the school family, and otherwise friends. As incidents like these we can't do without.
He said the taxi operator should be commended as he was responsible enough to rush the child to hospital for care. Now inside the school on Wednesday, art drawn in remembrance of young Marla was placed on her desk by her classmates. Many knew her for only weeks but already grew to love her very much. Grief counselors from the Ministry of Education provided support to the overwhelmed teachers, friends and schoolmates of the deceased. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.